Hey, garden lovers. So, you're probably thinking it's already May. Is it too late to start planting vegetables? Well, I've got good news for you. It's actually the perfect time to get those seeds in the ground and still enjoy a full, delicious summer harvest. In today's video, I'm walking you through 10 easy vegetables you can plant right now in May, even if you've never gardened before or have just a small space to work with. These veggies grow fast, don't need a lot of space, and some of them can even be grown in containers on your patio or balcony. Plus, stick around until the end, because I've got a bonus tip that could literally double your harvest without any extra effort. Ready to turn your backyard or balcony into a fresh food machine? Let's jump in and get your May garden growing. Why May is the perfect time to plant. May is one of the best months to start planting vegetables, and here's why. By now, the soil has warmed up, the days are longer, and most areas are past the risk of frost. That means your seeds and seedlings will grow faster and stronger with plenty of sunshine and warmer nights. It's also the sweet spot before summer heat kicks in, giving your plants time to get settled before things get too hot. Even if you're just getting started now, you're not behind, you're actually right on time. So whether you've got raised beds, grow bags, or a few pots on the deck, May gives your garden the head start it needs for a big summer payoff. Vegetable 1 tomatoes. Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite tomatoes. Whether you go for cherry, Roma, or beefsteak, tomatoes love the warmth of May and thrive when planted now. They need plenty of sun at least 6 to 8 hours a day, and they grow great in raised beds or large containers. If you're short on space, try compact varieties like Patio Princess or Tiny Tim. Pro tip: add a tomato cage or stake early on so the plant has support as it grows. Trust me, it's way easier than trying to fix it later. Vegetable 2 zucchini. Next up is zucchini, a total garden rockstar. It's super fast growing and perfect for beginners. Just plant a couple of seeds, and before you know it, you'll be swimming in fresh zucchini all summer long. These plants love full sun and well-drained soil, and they do great in both garden beds and large containers. Zucchini is also very low maintenance, which makes it a go-to for first-time gardeners. Quick tip: harvest them when they're about 6 to 8 inches long. They taste sweeter, and the plant keeps producing more. Vegetable 3 green beans. Let's talk about green beans, one of the easiest and most rewarding veggies you can grow. You've got 2 main types: bush beans, which stay compact and don't need support, and pole beans, which grow tall and love a trellis or stakes. They're perfect for small gardens, raised beds, or even containers. Green beans grow fast, and you'll start harvesting in as little as 50 to 60 days. The more you pick, the more they produce. Vegetable 4 cucumbers. Crisp, cool, and perfect for summer cucumbers are a must-plant veggie in May. They love the warm weather and grow super fast with plenty of sun and consistent watering. You can grow them in garden beds or large pots, but they really thrive when you train them up a trellis. It saves space and keeps the fruit cleaner. Choose from slicing cucumbers or pickling types, depending on your taste. Vegetable 5 peppers. Whether you love sweet bell peppers or spicy jalapenos, May is the perfect time to get them in the ground. Peppers thrive in warm weather and need full sun and well-drained soil to grow strong. They're great for garden beds, but also do really well in containers, especially on sunny patios. Just make sure they're in a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight a day. Quick check-in: which of these veggies are you planning to grow this month? Drop your pics in the comments. I love hearing what everyone's planting. Now, if you think those first 5 were easy, just wait until you see what's coming up. The next few vegetables are even more beginner-friendly, super productive, and perfect for May planting. And don't forget, there's a bonus vegetable coming at the end that pairs perfectly with just about everything in your garden. Let's keep this growing momentum going. You're halfway to a delicious summer harvest. Vegetable 6 carrots. Carrots are a classic garden favorite, and May is still a great time to plant them. They grow best in loose, well-drained soil, so if you're using a raised bed or deep container, you're all set. Just sprinkle the seeds thinly and keep the soil moist until they sprout. Carrots take about 60 to 75 days to mature, and you can plant a new batch every few weeks for a steady harvest. Vegetables 7. Corn. If you've got a little extra space, corn is a fun and rewarding crop to try in May. It loves full sun and warm soil, and it grows best when planted in blocks, not single rows. This helps with pollination and leads to fuller ears. Sweet corn varieties like sugar buns or peaches and cream are favorites for home gardeners. Vegetable 8. Beets. Beets are an awesome 2-for-1 crop. You get the sweet roots and the leafy greens. They grow great in cooler May mornings and don't take up much space, so they're perfect for small gardens or containers. Plant the seeds about 1 to 2 inches apart and thin them once they sprout for the best growth. Beets are usually ready in about 55 to 70 days, depending on the variety. Vegetable 9. Squash. Summer squash. Summer squash, like yellow crookneck or patty pan, absolutely loves the warmth of May and takes off quickly once planted. Even just one plant can produce a steady stream of squash all season long, making it a super productive choice. Give them space to spread out, or plant in large containers with good drainage. Watch out for squash bugs and powdery mildew. Both are common, but manageable. Vegetable 10. Basil, bonus herb. Let's wrap up with a bonus herb that every garden needs: basil. It pairs perfectly with tomatoes, grows fast, and smells amazing every time you brush by it. Basil loves warm weather, well-drained soil, and plenty of sunshine. It's great for containers, raised beds, or even tucked between veggies as a companion plant. You'll be making fresh pesto before you know it. Still with me? Awesome! Here's the real secret. You don't need a huge garden to grow your own food. Even planting just 2 or 3 of these veggies can give you fresh, homegrown harvests all summer long. So don't wait, grab some seeds, pick a sunny spot, and start small. Your future self and your dinner plate will thank you. And hey, that bonus tip I promised? It's coming up next, and you won't want to miss it. There you have it, 10 veggies you can plant in May and still enjoy an amazing summer harvest. Remember, the hardest part is just getting started, so plant something today, even if it's just 1 pot of basil. Mix in some compost before planting. It gives your veggies a powerful head start. If you found this helpful, comment what you're planting, and subscribe for more gardening tips, including companion planting and organic pest fixes coming up next.